Programming your 1997 Chevy S-10 key fob, a DIY guide. Want to program your 1997 Chevy S-10 key fob yourself? It's a simple process involving synchronizing the remote with your truck's body control module. You'll need your key and the key fob. The process involves cycling the ignition key between off, on, and accessory positions in a precise sequence, 3 to 5 cycles within 10 to 15 seconds to enter programming or learn mode. This signals the BCM to accept a new fob. Remember to do this in a safe location. If it fails on the first try, check the battery of the key fob. Once in programming mode, press and hold the lock or unlock button on your fob for 10 to 15 seconds to pair it with the BCM. You can program multiple fobs sequentially, up to 4. If it doesn't work, ensure your fob battery is new. A worn-out BCM might need replacing, which can cost $200 to $500. A common issue is signal range limitations of 20 to 30 feet. If you fail, consider a locksmith service. Aftermarket universal remotes are also an option. Remember that these older systems lack modern encryption, and DIY attempts have a failure rate of 20 to 30%, especially on older models.